on the clearance table talking flashcards. Wow, talking flashcards. So I don't have to talk. These flashcards are going to be talking. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Oh, that's cute. I've got a kitty cat in here. This says talking flashcards, so I'm going to put this in here. We'll listen to what she has to say.
Nurse. Enfermero. Enfermera.
Oh my gosh, boys and girls, I don't have to teach you. These cards will teach you. Let's try a different one.
Grass. Césped.
So the first word is in English and the second word is in Spanish. So you're going to be learning 2 languages. Boys and girls, you are going to learn how to say names of fruits and vegetables in English and Spanish.
Pear. Pera.
English and then Spanish.
Pear. Pera. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi. Cherry. Cereza. Cherry. Cereza. Melon. 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 Coconut. Coco. Coconut. Coco. Mango. 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 Pitaya. 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 Grapes. Uvas. Grapes. Uvas. Strawberry. Fresa. Strawberry. Fresa. Peach. Durazno. Peach. Durazno. Papaya. 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 Orange. Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Watermelon. Sandía. Watermelon. Sandía. Pumpkin. Calabaza. Pumpkin. Calabaza. Red pepper. Pimiento rojo. Red pepper. Pimiento rojo. Corn. Maíz. Corn. Maíz. Cabbage. Repollo. Cabbage. Repollo. Potato. Papa. Potato. Papa. Carrot. Zanahoria. Carrot. Zanahoria. Lettuce. Lechuga. Lettuce. Lechuga. Eggplant. Berenjena. Eggplant. Berenjena. Tomato. tomate, tomato, tomate, pea, guisante, pea, guisante, onion, cebolla, onion, cebolla, cucumber, pepino, cucumber, pepino.
What an amazing toy to learn how to speak English and Spanish.